Welcome back to Ask a Concierge featuring Anthony Melchiorri from Travel Channel's Extreme Hotels.
People always ask me, like, what do you carry when you travel? What's in your bag? You don't ever want to empty out my bag. See, I have a small bag today.
I saw your bag.
It's about this big.
By the way, your bag is really small.
Really small. Okay,
Yeah.
when I travel for my shows and for when I'm traveling a lot, I have a bag about that big. And my producers always ask me, what the hell is in the bag?
Yeah, what is in
it's
there?
It's like, Anthony, what do you carry in that bag? Plus you carry 2 used suitcases usually. Like, what do you carry? I was like, well, if you guys leave me out in the desert, I can survive.
Yeah.
With that bag, I have a tourniquet. I have cuticle oil, because you can never have dry cuticles on camera. Okay. Dental floss is very important.
Yes.
I have hand lotion, very important. I have 2 or 3 pairs of glasses. I have all kinds of bars. I have a 5-hour powered energy drink just in case. I have, oh my God, I have
this is crazy.
Oh, I have a rubber stretchy thing when I need to work out. In case I'm left alone, there's no gym. I have an extra backup phone. I have
all of that?
2 batteries for my phones. I have about 3 cords. I have a pair of socks. I have a sweatshirt. I have a shirt. I have a pair of underwear. I have about 8 cufflinks just in case. I have collar stays. My collar stays, if I don't have a collar stay, I freak out. What else? I have a bandana in case I ever need a bandana. I've never used it. Why would I need a bandana? I don't know, but I have one. And probably about 50 other things in one thing. And I know where everything is. So if like I'm on a plane or I'm in a crowded place on the bus, because listen, we go to Peru, we go everywhere.
Yeah.
So you never know when like my bag's over there and I need something, so I unzip that and I go, know exactly where it is and I pull it out. So being organized is critical.
It is huge.
Yeah.
It's huge. I can't believe that you fit all of that in your bag.
Yeah.
That's impressive. What about your clothing?
Oh, but then I have 2 big suitcases.
Oh.
Then I have big 2 suitcases.
Okay.
And so like I go, if I travel, like we were in Europe for 13 days with my crew, and my crew brings a bag about that big.
Yeah.
I bring 2 suitcases worth 70 pounds each, literally 70 pounds each. And like, what's in there? I was like, well, we're going to Germany, we're going to Spain, we're going here, we're going there, we're going to Vietnam. Like, you may ask me to do something, I want to be prepared.
Yeah.
And they're like, we want you to jump off the boat. You have a swimsuit with you? Yes. Of course I have a swimsuit, but you told me we weren't going to swim, and you told me not to bring a swimsuit. But I have one. Right. And it's like, they're like, and on the agenda, I'm always going to be in comfortable clothes. I'm always going to be like, you know, in shorts or, you know, in regular jeans because it's a comfortable environment where I'm going. It's not corporate.
Yeah.
But by the chance, do you have a suit? Of course, I have 3. You have that? I said, yes. Stop making fun of me about my friggin' luggage.